Hey guys, Caleb here. And today I'm doing a little video on server miner pretty much. Now the reason I'm doing this is because Mason, as you can see, a while ago, but he got a partnership with server miner and got a discount code. So in this video I'm pretty much just going to show you guys how to simply set up a server of vanilla Minecraft. Well, sorry. A simple faction server. So what you can do to get to server miner is you can go to my channel and then click right here, and it'll redirect you to the server miner website. Now from here you go down and you click purchase Minecraft servers. That is right here. Okay, and you can click select your package, and here's where you would choose which server you want to buy. The best one here obviously is Bedrock, but the one I'm not actually going to buy it, but I'm just going to show you what you would do. So I'm going to say we're going to get stone. So we would click stone, and here's all the features that it comes with. You can just get all these. I would always click these because they're all free. No, never mind, not this one, sorry. Unless you want plugin assistance, which is $10 a month. So what you can do is this, or you can do like for a month, and then every 4 months you can do for that. Then you just IP will be, I'll say funny Joel 1 at serverminer.com. This would be your IP if you were to get your server. Username Caleb H13. You're obviously your username, your America. Here you could say if you're from YouTube. Now I would always write that because me and Mason showed you. If you're from me and Mason, you write that. Where you're from, I'm from America. Add to cart. So it goes to your cart. Right? Promotional code. Now this is where you use my Mason's code. Now if you don't know where to find Mason's code, you can go back to my channel, go to any single video I have. Not this one though, because I haven't fixed the description of this one.
You said.
But nope, sorry about the audio there. We can click on this video, pause it, click it, and then right here, Ultra Gamer code right here. Oh well, yeah, this code. Just copy it and paste it. Validate code, and it'll give you 10% off, which is 72 cents off. So this is a $6 processing thing. So that's, and then you just click checkout, and you basically do this. You guys know what to do from here. So I'm going to cut until when after you bought your server. Okay, for this example, I'm going to use the hub server. Well, not this is the. Where I'll show you the hub server. So the hub server, but there's a little bit of a message to repay because we haven't done that yet, but we'll do that. So this is what you start off with. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly go here. Oh, do I want to do this? Okay, so you guys won't be able to see this, but here will be your host. I'm blurring these out because you could connect to my server the way I'm about to show you with those. But what you can do is you can go to Google and type in FileZilla. Now this is if you want to get like this is. I'm just basically going to now show you guys how to set up your server. So it's factions, FileZilla, and download client right here. No, this one. Sorry. No, not this one. No, dish one. You gotta get dish one. And there. Yeah. So you just go to FileZilla. I think it's just FileZilla.org actually. Whatever. You download FileZilla, which is a FTP thing. So yeah, that was the right thing. Okay. So sorry. I'm just gonna download this because I need it as well because mine uninstalled. So just download it from here. It'll go to this page. Whenever it loads, would be real nice. Come on, you got this. I believe in you. Stop. Refresh the page. All right, there we go. It'll start in 3, 2, 1, and then it'll appear if you're using Firefox. If you're using Google Chrome, it'll appear down there. You download it and you just set it up. It's quite God dang it. One sec. Alright, I'm going to install this and then I'll see you guys when I have it. Alright, so FileZilla is now downloaded and installed. So what you do is you go to the host here, grab it, copy, paste it into there, copy, paste the port into the port section, username, in the username section, and the password into the password section. Connect. Right. Right. So here's the server. This would be Mean Mason's hub server, the one you connect to when you connect to Mean Mason's server. Now, what you do is, since I don't really have a world, well, actually I do. Let's go %app data %. Now to get .minecraft. Alright, so you'd copy this to get, like, if you want to get to your Minecraft worlds, because you want to put that in your server. So you'd go to %app data grab, have the save, or wherever you put the save. Now this is after you, which is obviously after you've started your server. So if we go to servers, because I have more servers than you guys do, because we're running a couple more servers, but anyway, so you would go to server and you just click the restart button, and you can name your world right here, okay, and you can change what it's running. You guys should, like, you have tons of options of what you can run, like all the feeds beast packs, don't know what these are, but forge bucket forges, just regular forge, snapshot, vanilla, some tickets, Sprigget, pretty nice, but what we're going to do is just stick with 1.7.2 bucket. So now that the server's restarted, you should have all your files, and it won't look exactly like this because you'll probably have this, whatever the name of your world was, and a couple of these config folders. So what I'm going to do now is show you guys how to enable some things. So first off, you would want to go to server properties right here and view and edit. Now for you, it'd probably open in this notepad. Oh, I don't want it to open in notepad. Oh, get back up. God. But you probably don't want it to open in notepad. So what I'm going to do, you probably couldn't see that, but is I'm going to, like this, download it, and it'll be here. Now what I want to do is open this with Notepad++, which is a really nice thing to have if you're going to go deep into config, which I'm not going to for this short little tutorial. So you can just drag and drop that in there and it'll open. So the first couple things that I always want to do is you make this to false, because like, it's when you hit E and you get those achievements and it announces it to the entire server. You don't want that. Obviously, yeah, you don't want that. You leave most of this like alone. Online mode you want is true unless you want a cracked server. View distance, obviously. Model of the day was like with the thing that appears, like I'll show you when that loads up. But the model of the day is the thing that appears under the server. Whitelist, false, obviously, if you want other people to join, unless you have a private server. So that's pretty much that. For that, you can just close that out. Now, obviously, you don't want to download it. You just want to leave it in here, because if you edit it, it'll help a lot. So what we can do now is we're going to import a world. So we can go, and I'm going to just import this world. Upload. Now, it takes a while to upload, but it'll get in there. So while we wait, yeah, and model of the day is if we can't resolve host name. Kind of not connecting to any of my servers. But the model of the day would be the thing, yeah, this, right here. Thing you see right there, that's the model of the day. Okay. So, while this is uploading, I'm going to show you how to get certain plugins. Now, I'm going to be using Multiverse to show you the world, so you can just go Multiverse, Google that. Multiverse plugin, sorry. And then it'll go Multiverse Core there, that's what you want. And you just click this download button. This link will be in the description. And probably can hear this music, and just gonna turn that off. So yeah, this link will be in the description below, so you can just click that. What you also want to do is get essentials. Now I'm not going to download any of these because they're already in the server. What you would want to do is you just click download here. You'd get a zipped folder, which I'll show you because I actually need to update essentials in our server. So we'll download this essentials. Now this is just like, you don't have to have this, but this is like helpful for kits and /fly and all those other good commands you want. You'd get a zip folder with all these in it. Now if you don't know how to use a zip folder, click this if you're in Firefox. Right click, extract all. Okay, and like that, just click OK, next, and then it'll go like this. It'll open and say it's extracted. The final thing we want to get is factions. Now this is the main part of the faction server because it's the plugin factions. So you just click factions here, bucket, dev. This link will also be in the description, and so will the one for essentials. Click download, and it'll download. You click this, and you click download again. When it loads, you just click download. That'll be right here again, and you have to also get Mcore. Now Mcore is needed, so you can just go right here. You need to get Mcore to run factions. This link will also be in the description, so you can get this as well. So those are that's pretty much everything you need to download for the server. So if you want to install these, what you do is you go to the plugins folder right here. This will be there if you use Bucket, only if you use Bucket or Sprigget. Now Sprigget is for those more advanced users, and you know who you are. I'm going to go back to my downloads folder because that's exactly where it downloaded to. So we can go to our downloads folder. Let's see. Downloads. Gotta find your downloads folder, which is right. It's next. Downloads. So under your downloads folder, I have my essentials, so since this is a hub server, not a faction server, I'm not going to put in protect, but what you would want to do is you'd probably want this one, which is essential spawn. These are the ones I'm going to recommend you to put in your server. It's essential spawn, essentials chat, and essentials.jar. Not this one or this one, because in my opinion, these are glitchy and they just don't let you build. So these three are the ones you want. So what you do is you just go into your plugins folder and just take them and upload them just like that. All you have to do. You don't have to go anything else except just like that. Now I'm not going to show you guys how to config them or anything like that. This is just bare minimum factions server. So yeah, you just upload them into there and you got it. So that's how you get your server ready. So you click X, okay, back to your server, restart it, and then it'll shut down, and then it'll restart. And if you want to connect to your server, completely forgot to show you how to connect to your server. But alright, sorry for that. So what you can do is you can use this IP right here with this port to connect. Now you won't be able to connect to this server because you'll hit add server and you'll type in the port and IP. You won't be able to connect because I've turned that off. So what you can do is you can take this IP, right, and then go to Minecraft. Oh, can't resolve host name. Jet server up. Let's see. For some reason my Minecraft's right now just being a little bit not fun. So let me just restart it. Well, that's loading. Yeah, this one's up, so I'm just gonna restart it too. And yeah, I also have the Twitter, which they show you things. So this is the end of the tutorial where I'm just gonna show you guys how it worked that the world is in there. I'm recording, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna click this single player. I'm gonna show you guys the world I put in there before I go in the world itself. Called it was SG. There it is. So I joined this one. I have no idea what it is. I think this is the map. I think it is. Whoa. Why am I here? Hello? 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 Oh, yeah, this is my map. This is just a little map I've been working on for a little while. But yeah, this is what it looks like. In like this is the single player map that I put into the server. Okay. X. So now we'll join this server. Anyone? Yeah, no, he's in the server. What we'll do is we'll click join server. And oh wow, spawn. No, spawn because you need to get a little older version of essentials if you don't want to do /espawn. But if you want to set your spawn, like you build your cool little spawn, you can go to the spot you want it, face the exact way you want them to spawn, type /set spawn, not home, and it'll set the spawn. So that's the set in spawn. /gm1. So you guys pretty much should know what to do with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to get to the world that I put in. So you can do /mv import sg normal, unless you want it to be like the nether, but I'm just going to do it normal because I want it normally imported. So I can do /mv tp caleb sg, and here I am in the world. Did it work? I don't know. I don't know if I'm in the right place. I'm probably in the right place. Let me go check out the coordinates of this world. Grab these coordinates. Open up a notepad. New real quick. 539. This is actually, I think it's the same world, just 75. But just couldn't see the world. I'm in the wrong place because that's not the spawn. Like when you do /mvtp, it TPs you to the spawn, not to where you were. So /tp pose, and then just Control V, and here I am. Yeah. So this is the exact world that I was in. So if you guys have some really cool single player world you guys would like to put in to a Minecraft server, that's how you would do that. And that's pretty much it. You can do /f create. Well, not in the server because I didn't put it in, as you guys saw, but it likes it. If you have factions in, you can just do /f create. And that's pretty much all there is to setting up a faction server with ServerMiner. It's really easy, and I would recommend them because there's no lag. The only lag you guys see is me lag. But as you guys even saw, I lagged more in my single player than I did in the multiplayer server. So it's actually nicer in this multiplayer server. So that's pretty much all there is to setting up a little faction server. Now if you guys would like to see more tutorials and how to set up things in servers, you can check out on some ServerMiner servers. You can check out ServerMiner's channel in the description of this video. You can also add world edit, which you would probably want, because hey guys, Caleb here, and the outro to this video kind of got cut off because the space on my disk drive kind of ran out, so the recording stopped. But anyway guys, I want to thank you all for watching, and if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like rating. And if you want to see more tutorials on my channel, you can leave comments, and I guess I can do some more Bukkit plugin tutorials because I've been working with plugins for a while, I guess. But anyway guys, thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, as I said several times, like the video, subscribe to see more, and I hope you guys have enjoyed.